In this video, I'm going to show you how many Pepe that you need to become a millionaire in the heat of the bull market if you are buying at this very price. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Let's dive right into the details. In the heat of the 2021 bull market, we see coin like Dogecoin, which is the father of all meme coin or meme token, and this very coin rose up to $100 billion. Okay, and in that very bull market as well, we see Shiba Inu to $40 billion. Okay, so these two meme tokens are on the top right now. Like I said, Dogecoin is the father of all meme token, and everybody knows that. And if you take a look at Pepe right here, you discover that Pepe is still very low right now in market capitalization. That is $5 billion in market capitalization, and it is trading at 0.401192, which is a very low price right now. And one thing that is also very important here is that Pepe have not experienced any bull market, unlike we see with Dogecoin right here, which have experienced like two bull markets, and also we have Shiba Inu, which have experienced just one bull market, that is the 2021 bull market, and this does about $40 billion in market capitalization right at this very point. But on to the fact that we know a lot of things has happened in the crypto space this very year, ranging from the Bitcoin ETF approval and also the Ethereum spot ETF approval as well. A lot of big companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, and all of these big guys are going to pump in more money into the crypto space. In fact, day for yesterday, I read the news about Michael Saylor investing more $500 million into BTC. So what I'm trying to say is that a lot of money is going to flow into this very meme coin as a result of money flowing into Bitcoin and other altcoins. So this is very important. I am expecting Pepe to do very well in this very bull run. And like I said, I'm going to show you how many Pepe you need to hold for you to make $1 million in the heat of the bull run if you are buying at this very price. And as we all know, Pepe right now is retracing. Okay, so from technical analysis, we see that Pepe right now is coming back to the downside, which is very normal. Okay, so markets do retrace. If you look at this chart, you discover we have a very huge move all the way from here. Market move to this point, and after this very movement, which is a significant move, market retrace. And then we have this move to the upside. We have this retracement, or you can call it correction. And from here, market still move all the way to the upside. And right now, market is retracing, which is very normal in every market. So this is just a short-term retracement happening on Pepe right now. And what this means is that it is the right time to buy before the next move is going to come into the market, just like you can see right at this very point, and also the one that happened right at this very area. So after each of these impulses, as you can see on the chart, market retrace before the next move. Also right here, market is going to come back to the downside, which is very significant. So if you want to buy Pepe, it is also a right time to buy. Is not late, because the major pump that we are expecting in the market have not happened yet. So I am expecting that this market come back down a little bit, and I want to show you the level that I am paying attention to right now. So this very area is important resistance right now, and this very area is also an important resistance as well at this very point. And this is the point I am expecting this market to find support. So market should still move back to the downside a little bit into this very area before that next move to the upside. And as you know, technical analysis, nobody can 100% say that market is going to move at this particular time, okay, 100% of the time. But from what price I've done before, you can tell with possibility what is going to happen next in the market. So I am expecting that market should come down here, and from here we should see the market move upward. And in case we break this level of support at this very point, which is resistance at this very area, I am expecting the market to come down a little bit into this very level of support right here. Okay, so if this very level fails, market should come down here before that next move to the upside. I am not expecting the market to go down below this level of support. This is my expectation. The possibility of market just crashing back down exists in the market is possible, but that is not what I am expecting right now. I am expecting the market to just come back down into this very level of support right here before the next move to the upside. And if this fails, market is coming to this area and move to the upside. So definitely market is still going to move to the upside on Pepe, and it is a good hold. If you look at the 1 month chart, you discover that this market have not really moved. Okay, it is just a new token, and market is going to move sporadically to the upside. This is very important. And like I said earlier, how many Pepe do you need in this very bull market to become a millionaire in dollars? So let's do this simple calculation. So I am expecting that Pepe do the least $300 billion in market capitalization, and that is very important. So for Pepe to do $300 billion minimum in market capitalization, that means the price should rise up to 0.0008, okay, or 0.309. Between 0.0008 and 9, the market should hit that very capitalization or a little bit more. It is a possibility. Price of Pepe right now is 0.401185, and the possibility of this very coin canceling more 10 from here, making it 0.0001 and move to 5 and 8 and 9 exist. Okay, just canceling 10 is very possible. So that is what I am expecting right now on this very meme token called Pepe. And how many do you need to become a millionaire in the heat of the bull market if you buy at this very price? Look at it here. Let's say, for example, you are using a $15,000 to buy this very token right now, and you are buying at this very price, which is 0.40118. So if you have this, then it means you should have this quantity of Pepe in your portfolio. This is 1.2 billion Pepe. This is very simple. 1.2 billion Pepe with $15,000. You can buy a little bit lower than this with maybe $20, $50, $100, $1,000, as the case may be. But if you want to hit $1 million, this is what you need if you are buying at this very price. If you have this as a quantity of Pepe in your portfolio and you multiply this by the price, I am expecting this coin to hit minimum, which is 0.0008. okay, this is 0.0008, and if you multiply this will give you $1 million. This is very simple. So what of those that have bought before now? That means you can hit $1 million if you bought below 0.601. okay, because this is a very simple calculation, and you know that Pepe is going to do very well. Number one thing that you need to pay attention to is that Pepe have not experienced any bull market. Just you can see right here, Pepe is ranked number 23rd on the market capitalization on market cap right here, and with a $5 billion market cap. And like I said, is going to do well more than Shiba Inu that have experienced a bull market in 2021, and is going to also do well than Dogecoin, which also have experienced 2 bull market or more. And what I am saying right here is very possible. So that is the quantity of Pepe you need to become a millionaire in dollars in this very bull run, and you can buy a little bit lower than that if you are buying at this very price. And if you are buying at this very price, you are not also late. Okay, the markets have not experienced any major big move, and the biggest move is coming in anyway anytime soon, maybe close to the end of this year or early next year in this very bull market. And if you take a look at the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin have been coming back to the downside for a few days, and as a result of the Fed keeping interest rates unchanged, you see this market is going to still come back to the downside. I am expecting that this market come back down a little bit into this very level of support right here. Okay, the possibility of market going down below this 60 and $61,000 is there, but that is not what I am paying attention to. The maximum drop I am expecting is for market to revolve around this very area of $70,000 and this level of $60,000. And once we break this very important level of resistance, we should begin to see major pump in the market. So like technical analysis is, nobody, including myself, know when this very move is going to happen, but we can predict when we think it's going to happen, and it may not happen like that as well. But what I am expecting right now is for the market to come back down a little bit into this very area, and then from this very area we should see the market begin to move to the upside on Bitcoin. And once we break this level of resistance right here, then it means that the market is about to have the next major move in the market, because as you know, look at it here, market have been ranging within this very level of resistance right here and this very level of support right here, which mean a breakout from this very zone of resistance, the market is going to experience the next move in the market, just like we have seen in the past on BTC. The most important part of this video is that you holding Pepe is going to make you a millionaire, and you can buy right now with the little amount of money you have, be it $100, 200 or 1000. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.